Hi guys, today I will be unpacking and testing this Lexar card reader. So this one is a dual slot. You can use SD card and micro SD card. So USB 3.0 Gen 1. So the model is RW300. So I will be using this one to read my new micro SD card. So it is SDXC. So my very old card reader cannot read it anymore, so probably something to do with the compatibility issue. So this one is micro SDXC compatible. So let's see. I'll just cut this one. Yep. Okay. Now it's here. As you can see, there's a cover, so USB type A. Then you have two slots here. So here's my micro SD. So I'll try this one. Yeah, it's probably wrong direction. Put it that way. Yeah, because if you put it wrongly, then you can it is not flat. You can see it's angled. That's wrong, so it should be the other way. So there's also possibility you use an SD card, but I'll try this one. Okay, it's recognized right away. Now I can see the files. So I'll try the copy all the files here. I create a new folder. A new. Right. So I copy all, so you can see the speed. So it's reading for 4 minutes. So the speed is 82 for this time. So it'll take 4 minutes to copy everything. Then I think it works, right? Okay, thank you for watching.